Hop into the 2022 Nissan Rogue. Start planning your family road trips in this comfortable, well-equipped Rogue. This clever crossover offers plenty of space and thoughtful creature comforts to keep your crew relaxed and eager for adventure. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, keyless start, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, stability control. Feel energized in this sporty Rogue. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.